Hi, this is Peter Voti at Red the Steakhouse, and today we're going to show you how to properly char grill a steak. A couple things you're going to need to char grill a steak is a high quality steak, and just stay nice and simple. Kosher or sea salt and some freshly ground black pepper. One of the things you want to see in a steak is some nice marbling. In this steak here you can see all the intermuscular fat. One of the things about cooking, fat equals flavor. You don't have any fat in your steak, you're going to get no flavor. So it's something very important. So we have our steak here. We're going to service it with a little bit of kosher salt, a little bit of freshly ground black pepper, and then we're ready to go in the broiler. I'm going to go about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Going to pull it out, and one of the most important things when you're cooking a steak is letting it rest. People may not understand this sometimes, but after the steak comes out of the broiler, 20% of your cooking time to 30% is going to happen after you take it out of the heat. So we're going to put this in here 4 or 5 minutes. I'm going to pull it out, let it rest, and then we're going to be ready to eat it. So here you go. Here's our nice char-grilled steak. I'm Peter with the Red Restaurant Group. Enjoy.